How to backup data on Android 15. To backup your phone data, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Here you can see the search setting. Tap the search button on the top. Here you can search for the backup. Here you can find the backup in the system settings. So you can directly search for the backup, or you can find the backup option in the system setting. Tap the system. Now scroll down. Here you can find the backup option on your device. Tap the backup. Now here you can see backup by Google One. Toggle on it and tap on the backup now button to backup your Android 15 data. Here you can see the backup details, application, photos and videos, SMS, MMS message, call history, device setting, Google account data. You can also backup using mobile or Meta Wi-Fi data. So list of backup detail available. Tap on photos and video. Here toggle on this option to automatically backup your Google photos and video on your Google account. So quite easy to backup data on your Android 15. That's it. Play like it, share it.